Greetings and salutations, YouTube. itsHadrian here. Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a haul video, and it's going to be a couple videos kind of put together because I didn't really get too many items from each of these stores, and I kind of just stuck them in vlogs, and I didn't really share with you guys what I ended up getting, so I decided that I was going to stick them all together. So I'm going to have all those videos linked right there if anyone's interested in checking them out. But if you guys love thrifting and love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell button for notifications, add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures, and I'm going to have all those things linked down below in the down bar if anyone's interested in checking them out. But without further ado, let's get into this because I got some really great stuff that I can't wait to share with you guys. I'm going to try and separate everything and let you know where I got these items from. Now these two items I got when I went thrifting at the Orange County Goodwill Boutique. So if you guys have not been there or are going to be in the area, it's in Huntington Beach, I believe, and it's called the OC Goodwill Boutique. Such an awesome store. It's actually kind of like two stores combined into one. So if you've watched any of my past thrifting videos or vlogs, I do really love this going to Goodwill boutiques, and there are 3 in Orange County that I go to. I don't know if there are any more, but there are 3. But each of them is a little bit different, and this one is actually kind of like a regular Goodwill on one side, and then you go up 2 steps into another room, and then that's kind of like the boutique side. And the boutique side, everything there is kind of hand-chosen, hand-picked for the little boutique area. So it's a little bit more of a retail experience. Things are hung up, things are folded, it's really fancy. It's almost like going into a regular full-line store. And then the regular Goodwill part is on the other side, and that's where I got these guys. So I love these mugs so much. Yeah, see? This one says hate, this one says love. These are so cool. They're $2.99 each, and these are actually Jonathan Adler mugs. And I love Jonathan Adler pieces so much. I feel like his design sensibilities kind of encompass my whole kind of decor beliefs, my decor aesthetics. I really love just the whimsical way, the tongue-in-cheek way that he creates his pieces, and I love them so much. So whenever I see them, I always pick them up, and I'm very happy to add some mugs to the collection. I have a few vases, and I actually have 3 little tray things that are all exactly the same that I got from 2 of them I actually got from the same store at different times, and then I just found the other one really recently. So I'm very excited about that. And now I have these 2 mugs, so really excited. They're a little pricey though, at $2.99 each. Usually the mugs are around 99 cents or $1.99. I find that this store prices their items a little bit more expensive. But I mean, Goodwills tend to vary, especially in area to area. So you're always going to get kind of fluctuation in pricing. So, and it also depends on who's pricing the items. So very excited about that. Now, okay, these are all from Crossroads stores, and I love Crossroads stores so much. If you guys have not been to Crossroads, definitely check it out. No, this video is not sponsored by Goodwill or Crossroads, but if Crossroads or Goodwill is watching, hook it up because I would love to work with you guys. Anyway, I have, actually I did, if you guys haven't checked out the customer appreciation or get to know our customers video from OC Goodwill, someone's in it, and it's this guy. So I'm it was really nerve-wracking, it was crazy. I've never been filmed by anyone else other than myself. So when I'm filming in the store, no one's really paying attention to me. But whenever, but if someone's if someone else is filming you and you're talking to them, it's very intense, it's very different, and it was just an out-of-body experience, but it was really cool. So I was very excited about that. So if you guys have not seen that, check it out. It's I actually have the clip of it on my Instagram too, if you guys want to check it out, or you can go to the OC Goodwill website, and I believe it's on there as well. Anyway, the first item I have here to share with you guys, just I don't know what I'm talking about anymore, is, okay, I really love this Rebecca Minkoff satchel. The details in it are just out of control. I love like kind of like the thick leather stitching detail in it. I love that the hardware is kind of like a gunmetal color, and this golden brown is just like such a beautiful contrast to everything. And the fact that it has a top handle and the crossbody strap is always a plus. I love that about it so much. And another cool aspect about this bag too is that you can carry it like this top handle, and then you can attach the crossbody strap to here and then onto the back, and then the bag you carry like that and it keeps its shape. But another way you can carry it is you can actually remove the side clips right here, and then you attach the crossbody strap to the bag, and then now you have a whole new different bag. So it totally changes the game, it totally changes the shape of the bag, and I just love bags like this so much that are so like unique, and they're so like multi like purpose, multi like functional, multi like has multi looks. So I just thought that was a really cool thing that Rebecca Minkoff put into this design, and I really do like it. I've seen a lot of bags like this that have like the little hooks on the side, and then you just hook it onto the sides like that, and I have never seen it where it's hooked also on the front and the back. So I really like that. So there's really 3 ways to carry this bag, which I really like, and it has a really cute, adorable bird lining on the inside, and this guy was $37. And all these items I'm sure you guys are going to be in the shop. I don't know if I'm going to put the Jonathan Adler mugs in the shop just because I kind of collect them and want to keep it for myself in my own private collection. But a lot of these handbags are going to go up there in that shop if anyone is interested. Now, up next, I have this little Rebecca Minkoff. I thought this one was so cute. It's in the black pebbled leather, but it has like a cobalt blue edge coating around like the edges of the leather, which I think is a really nice touch. Now, this actually has this little closure like that. You can open that up, and then it's just voila. This guy was, how much was this guy? Rebecca Minkoff, how much for you? The tag is missing. This is not the receipt for that. So this looks like it was actually accidentally left inside here by the previous owner, which happens sometimes. Have you guys, okay, let me know down below like what the craziest thing is that you have found inside a bag that you purchased from the Goodwill. Let me know down below, and then like I'll answer it again. Like I'll let you guys know like what mine is in like a vlog or something, because I have found some crazy items inside handbags before that I've purchased from the Goodwill. But I believe this was about like $37 as well. It's really cute. It does have like a little bit of like marking, like looks like a little like, not like a stain because it's not like actually a stain, but it just like looks like dirt or something, and that's gonna be easily cleaned. So really cute bag. I really like it, and I love that it has the navy or like the cobalt blue. I think that's like a nice little touch right there. Then up next I have this really nice Michael Kors. I believe, I don't know if this, okay, this silhouette looks like the Jet Set, I think, but this one is a little bit updated. I think it's like a newer style because it has the front pocket, which is really nice. And then the interior has a middle divider that's a zipper pocket, which is also very nice. So it being a tote, you can put like your wallet or whatever inside the middle compartment, and like people can't like really just like reach in, you know? So that's really cool. It has 2 more front pockets right there, a zipper pocket, and then 2 more pockets. So this has a ton of compartments, which is really nice. And this guy is $47.50, and it's in a black Saffiano leather with gold hardware. So that is a beautiful. I love these totes so much. They're really great. And I love Saffiano leather too. Saffiano leather is always nice. Okay, then up next I have this gorgeous, like it's a bubblegum pink, almost, yeah, it is like a bubblegum pink, right? Yeah, bubblegum pink. A beautiful bubblegum pink Michael Kors flap satchel, quilted leather, so cute. It has a back pocket right here, and then the front just pops open just like that. And then we have a zippered pocket, and then just like the main compartment, and then 2 pockets right here in the front. And what's really nice about this bag is you can double up the hardware, like the strap like that, and you can carry it on your shoulder, or you can actually extend it and then wear it a little bit longer. And if you do want, it's a very high like crossbody, but I know like sometimes like it's kind of cool sometimes to wear your bags like this. I know I like to wear my bag like that, so maybe I just think it's cool, but I do like to wear my bag like that. So it's just a cute bag, and I love it. And what's cool too, just keep saying cool, you can actually just like pull in the chain like that, and then this is just like shortened. Do you know what I mean? And then now this becomes a clutch. And if you want to like keep it down, all you have to do is like put like some sort of like paper clip or something inside there to hold the chain down. And then now you just have like a really cute clutch. So it really is pretty versatile, and you kind of like make it more versatile by like inserting the chain inside the bag, and it's really fun. So it's like a really nice little bag. It's a pretty good size as well too. It's not really too tiny, and just really nice. So $47.50 for that guy. Okay, then up next I have another Michael Kors piece for you, and this one, I really like the color combination for this, and this is a Michael Kors, this is a small Selma, and it's in the black canvas with the white Saffiano leather and then gold hardware. And this one's really cute because a Selma normally doesn't have a pocket in the front, but this one does. And you can just like put like a couple little things in there if you wanted. And then the interior just has an interior zipper pocket, and then this just zips up, and there you go. And what's really nice about this too is that you can actually remove the crossbody strap for this as well, and then you can just use this as a clutch, which is always nice. So you do have options, and this is just like a fun, like, I just love the combination. And like I feel like whenever it's a combination leather and canvas, it's definitely like automatically like a great summer bag. But because of the color combination, this definitely can go all year round. So really, really nice. And I got this guy for $37.50. Okay, then up next, this one is awesome. So this is a beautiful Michael Kors wallet in like a goldenrod Saffiano, and I don't know, like it has like a little bit of like a weird mark, like dirt mark on the front. That's gonna be so easy to remove. And what's awesome too is that this is actually new with tags, so it still has the original tags on here. It was originally $158. Wow. And I got this for $28, and it's literally brand new still. It looks like it's never been used. Still has the care cards as well in the back, and I just love like this goldenrod color. It's so pretty. It's like a golden mustard, and I just love the pop of color. So I don't know, I just really love colored wallets, colored bags, especially in this goldenrod color. It's beautiful. Really, really like it. So there's that. Okay, then up next, this one is another stunner that I really, really thoroughly enjoy. And it is this beautiful Rebecca Minkoff white pebbled leather hobo bag. Okay, so this bag is intense. It has so many beautiful studs across the front. Gorgeous. It's like in a gunmetal color, but then it has like copper details right there as well. And then on the handle, on the shoulder strap, like look at that. Beautiful. Again, it has like a combination of, is that gold? Yeah, it's like gold, copper. It has like the gunmetal, and then it has the, what color is that? Like topaz? Is that what that is? And then, not to mention this amazing tassel on there. And then you also have like another little mini tassel on the zipper pull. And it does have like a little pen mark though on the back. I'm gonna try and get it out. But it's right there, which is like, what a bummer. And then there's like another little mark right here as well on the front. So we're gonna try and clean that up. But also, the bag opens up. So this actually expands. So the bag actually gets larger if you wanted to expand it. And then you can make it a little bit smaller when you close it up. And then the interior, There you go. It still has the original desk bag as well, and it has two open pockets and a zipper pocket compartment. So it's such a beautiful handbag. I love it so much, and it's so fun with a tassel and everything. And I got this guy for $37.50. Okay, now for the pièce de résistance. This is my, like, I was so excited for this bag. You guys have no idea. Now this one was exciting. And okay, check out this bag. I'm dead. So this is the Chloe, I believe it's the Chloe Marcy. And this, I remember when this bag came out. I believe it was like in 2013. I want to say 2013, something like that. 2013, I believe. And in this combination with, this is, I believe this is like a nubuck leather, and then like the smooth dark brown leather, gold hardware. So gorgeous. It has like a couple marks on it, but I'm cross our fingers. Hopefully we can get it out. I'm gonna do a handbag rehab on this, so we'll see how much we can clean out. But this was actually on consignment, and then it was an extra 20% off. So I believe I got it for about like around $200. So it's beautiful. Again, it has like a little bit of markings on the back, but I'm like very hopeful that we can clean this up. And this just opens up. Okay, so I've totally been slacking on decorating out here and doing all the furniture and stuff, but this is kind of like how it is right now, and I kind of like having this little conversation area to the side, because normally when I'm barbecuing and like we're having a party, no one wants to hang out with me because like people can sometimes like sit right here sometimes, but like the sun is still really intense when I'm barbecuing, so like it's still really hot right there, and like only during the day, like during the daytime, like